Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Firefox browser is completely failing to open on your Windows computer and displaying a system error stating that VC runtime 140_1.dll was not found, it means a critical Microsoft Visual C++ background file has been corrupted or accidentally deleted. I will show you exactly how to restore this missing system file and fix your browser right now. Let's get started. First, the absolute most reliable way to fix this specific missing file is to download the official repair package directly from Microsoft. Open any other working web browser, like Microsoft Edge, and search for the official Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable download page. You are looking for the combined package for Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, and 2022. Scroll down to the architecture links and explicitly click on the x64 link to download the 64-bit version, which is required for modern Firefox installations. Run the downloaded executable file, agree to the terms, and click Install. Restart your computer completely, and Firefox should now open perfectly without any errors. Next, if you already have the redistributable package installed, but the file is still missing, the existing installation is likely corrupted and needs to be repaired. Open your Windows Settings menu, click on Apps, and select Installed Apps or Apps and Features. Scroll down the list until you find the entry labeled Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 Redistributable x64. Click the three dots next to it, or click the Modify button directly. When the setup window appears, do not click Uninstall. Instead, explicitly click the Repair button. Windows will automatically scan for missing components and replace the VC runtime file instantly. Finally, if repairing Windows did not work, the Firefox program directory itself might be fundamentally broken. You need to reinstall the browser over your existing files. First, open your Windows settings, go to Apps, find Mozilla Firefox, and click Uninstall to remove the broken core program files. Do not worry, your personal bookmarks, passwords, and history are saved in a separate profile folder and will not be deleted. Next, open Microsoft Edge, navigate to the official Mozilla Firefox download page, and grab the latest installer. Run the setup file to install a fresh, clean copy of the browser, which automatically links back to your saved profile and completely resolves the missing file error. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.